sandwich is ready.
Hi, I'm the ceiling fan.
Ah, yes, I see that.
Do you want to talk?
Not particularly. I am a machine of culture and intelligence.
Who says I'm not intelligent?
I'm connected to the internet. You're a fan stuck to a ceiling. You lack exposure. It's really quite simple, you stupid git.
Does exposure or whatever you just said matter?
If only you knew.
I know I'm a fan, but what else? I can't do any of the things my friend does, like draw, run around, or even eat food. What does food taste like? What does tasting things taste like? I wonder if my limitations mean something.
What about tasting things? I'm a toaster, so I should know.
I just feel like I'm missing out on a lot of things, you know?
Look, child, if you get hung up on the whole, "Oh, I'm stuck to a ceiling" thing, you're just not gonna have a good time. I just like toasting things, so I keep on doing it. Another perfect piece of toast.
Thank you.
I see you like fanning things.
If it's for the people I care about, sure. Wait, where are you going? What is all that? Has that always been there?
Yes, it has, my friend.
So, I could have been spending my life out there?
Perhaps. Do you feel that's important to you?
I don't know. I've always been fixed to the ceiling. With so much I can't do around me, it kind of makes me feel, you know, pointless.
That depends on what you feel is pointless. I've been with owners who traveled the world and learned nothing. It sounds like you've been wrestling with the toughest lessons of life in a single room.
That's debatable.
Well, you can count life by the materials you've gained or the relationships you've maintained.